Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech for Boost. In today's video, we're taking a look at Windows 10 Tiny V22H2, a lightweight custom Windows build designed for low-end and older PCs. We'll go through the installation process, explore its features, and see how optimized this version is compared to a standard Windows installation. Let's get started. As you can see, the installation process has started. At this stage, you may notice something unusual. The setup screen looks very similar to a fully installed Windows desktop. However, don't be fooled by the appearance. This is still part of the Windows installation environment, and the operating system has not been installed yet, even though it looks like a normal desktop. We are still inside the setup process and need to complete the installation before using the system. The installation is now progressing normally. Depending on your hardware and storage device, the setup time may vary. Once the installation is complete, we'll take a closer look at the desktop experience, storage footprint, and overall system responsiveness. The installation has finished successfully, and we're now entering Windows 10 Tiny V22H2 for the first time. You may notice that a command prompt window automatically opens after the first boot. This is completely normal. The system is performing a compression process on the Windows installation drive. This optimization helps reduce disk usage and keep the operating system as lightweight as possible. The process may take a few moments to complete, so it's recommended to let it finish without interruption. Once it's done, we'll continue exploring the system and checking its resource usage.